welcome back to the channel. And in today's video I'm going to be doing another planting process of the seeds of long melon or long curly cucumbers. If you have watched the previous part of the video, you would know that I have already selected and separated some of the healthier seeds from the not so healthy seeds. A whole lot more needs to be separated and segregated, but maybe I'll do that later. In this video, I will show you how I have selected a different type of pot. These are hanging pots with a little bit more space. So in another video, I have used pots which are long biscuit containers, okay? And in this video, I will be using pots which are hanging pots with a whole lot of space. Other than that, I'm keeping the composition of soil more or less the same. You can use a little bit of vermicompost if you want, or some cow dung or horse dung manure if you want. It is not necessary. However, you will have to use at least 60% of garden soil because long melons really prefer a whole lot of soil. And I will be using about 40% of any kind of mulch that you can find. You can use that, sawdust or wood chips. All of those are good. This is coconut coir, okay? And you can also use a little bit sprinkle as the first sprinkle after sowing the seeds, which gives the seeds a little bit of a boost. 4 or 5 granules. You can use a little bit of boost as the first sprinkle of seaweed fertilizer, about 4 or 5 granules. As you can see, these are granules, okay? In at least 1 whole mug of water, okay? Do not over fertilize the long melons because they tend to catch a whole lot of pests, okay? And if you're wondering why the seeds are colored, maybe that is a protective color coating that the farmers have used. I'm not sure what type of chemical that color has. Anyway, so that is definitely not the natural color of seeds, okay? And also, if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, okay? And as you can see, these pots are quite big. These 2 pots is almost equal to 4 of those tall biscuit containers that I've used in a previous video. So yeah, 4 or 5 seaweed granules as the first sprinkle would be really good for these 2 pots. Okay, now let me just do the entire sowing process and I'll come back with the rest of the video. Okay.